Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Welcome back to Grumpy's LaidBak Carvings. I hope everybody's had an awesome day. And I know mine has just been awesome. To say as my word, awesome, y'all know that. But okay, short video here. I got an unexpected mail or letter today, and I was like, wow. Right off the bat, when I saw this right here, I was like, okay, I knew that was not within the States. That right there come from across the pond, as I like to say. And I only know a few people across the pond on this YouTube community, and so I was like, I wonder who sent me something. But yeah, I was very excited when I got this. And I've already cut it and opened everything just to make it easier for the video. I want to stay within video here. So one thing I want to point out, I really enjoy the stamps and stuff. I guess that's the old nerd in me. I would collect the stamps and all. Every package and every envelope I've gotten from anybody off of YouTube, I've kept it. As I like stamps and whatnot. But this one is pretty cool. And it's just weird the way the shipping and whatnot works across the world. We have it's not, what's it called? Forever stamp, that's what it is, forever stamp. And we have an international forever stamp, and then, you know, a statewide forever stamp. And ours is like $1.75, or that might be close to $2 right now with the holidays. They tend to jack everything up at the post office. But anyway, babble. Get back to it. I received this from Mr. Roy, and from Roy's Timberart Techniques. He's got an awesome channel. I love watching him work. He works with hand gouges. He works with his rotary tool. He works with scroll saw. He's just an all-around good awesome woodworker. Carving knives, whittling. He does a little bit of all of it, and is good at all of it. Like I said, I like watching Roy's channel. It's very relaxing, and he does awesome work. But I'm babbling. Let me get on with my babble. There's something that was pretty cool in that card, but I got a Christmas card from Mr. Roy and his family. Just too cool, and I love the scenery right there. But it says, "May your Christmas be wrapped in love, bright with joy, and touched with the simple magic that makes this season so special. Wishing you and your family moments that warm your heart and memories that last long after the lights fade. With best wishes for Christmas and the New Year, Roy's Timberart and family." Thank you, Mr. Roy. I will keep that. It will be up on the wall. We like to pin our little Christmas cards and stuff like that up. So, yep. Thank you so much. And I received another awesome sticker. I will put that. I'm going to save this one. I have 2 of his stickers from a previous sticker trade we did. I have one up on my sticker wall inside my box right here with everybody else's stickers that I've received. And I have his extra one out on my lathe wall, by my lathe where I do my spinning and whatnot. And this one right here, I'm gonna save this one in case the one by my lathe wall gets messed up, or in case this one starts to come off. I have a backup. That way I can replace it. And then he also puts these cool inserts right here, which is awesome. It'll give you a shot straight to his channel. So if anybody doesn't have Mr. Roy's channel, take a pause. Let me set that down so it's not shaking. You can pause it, screenshot it, and scan that QR code right there, and it will shoot you straight to Mr. Roy's channel. And I'll put a link to his channel in the end of my video in my description. Yeah, Mr. Roy, that is so cool. And this is the last part of it here. I thought this was pretty neat. Now I'm curious, Mr. Roy, do you have a little laser burner? And did you burn this? Because this is too cool. I would love to get a little laser deal to where I can do stuff like this. My wife does. Okay, babble. Tree of life right here, y'all. It's too cool. It's got little hole so you can put your string and stuff on it. I think what I'm gonna do is I want to put this on my tree, but I don't want it to break. I don't want my kids to grab it and say, "Oh, what's that?" and my grandkids, or snap it. So I'm gonna take and I believe I have a little disc that's just big enough And if I do, I'm going to take and do a small bit of epoxy. And I'm going to coat this in epoxy. That way this will last. I don't want it to break. And that's pretty cool. But I will do an epoxy layer over that. And then that way I can still hang it. But thank you so much, Mr. Roy. I greatly appreciate this. This was awesome. Made my day when I opened up the mail and I had a little parcel in there. I was like, oh, and it was a Christmas card on top of that. That was just too cool. But thank you so much. Let me move all this over right here. There we go. I think I still have us all in camera real good. I need to get my light in my box better. My light is above my camera mount right here, and so it draws a shadow across here that I've just been noticing. But all right, y'all, thank you so much, Mr. Roy. Thank you again for the card. I hope you and your family have an awesome holiday and a safe new year, and continue to do what you do on your channel, please, sir. I enjoy watching. I might not always comment, but I do always have it turned on and hiding in the background. So thank you again, and God bless you, Mr. Roy. I hope you have an awesome day. Everybody stay safe, stay laid back. Check out my description. I'll have Mr. Roy's link in there. And then again, oh, wait a minute. Okay, no, yep. I didn't notice the QR code on your sticker before, but I saw that, so I thought it was new. But I just looked, it's the same. Ha! Babble, Grumpy's goofy. All right, y'all. Thank you, everybody. God bless. Y'all have a great day. Stay safe.